Students, so in the last class we have discussed about events and types of events. We discussed many events. Today we will solve some problems. So our problem is one die is thrown, then we will describe this events. Event A, B, C, D, E, F. Event A is a number less than 7, B event is number greater than 7, event C a multiple of 3, event D a number less than 4, event E an even number greater than 4, and event F is a number not less than 3. And then we'll find some events A union B, A or B, E and F, A minus C, D minus E, E but not F. Okay? So first thing, when we throw die, what will be our sample space? So sample space, one die thrown only once. So our possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. These are possible outcomes. So it is our sample space when we throw one die once. Now what will be our event A? A number less than 7. So event A is number less than 7. So in this our sample space, numbers less than 7. So all are less than 7. So event A is having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are sample points for event A. Event B. What is event B? A number greater than 7. Number greater than 7. There is no number. So event B is having no element, means it is null set. No sample point is there. Event C, a multiple of 3 in this sample space, multiples of 3 and 6. So 2 sample points are there in event C. Event D, a number less than 4. So from this sample space, number less than 4, 1, 2, 3. So event D has 3 sample points. Event E, an even number greater than 4. Number should be even and should be more than 4. So here even number more than 4 is only 1, 6. Event F, a number not less than 3. Not less than 3. Which numbers are not less than 3? So 3, 4, 5, 6 are not less than 3. So 3, 4, 5 and 6. These are our events A, B, C, D, E, F. Now we need A and B. And we know how to find A and B. We can find A and B. Write all the elements of A and B both. So A and B both. If I write, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay? Then E and F. E intersection F. E and F. So all the elements of all the common elements of E and F will come here. So common elements of E and F, only one element is common, 6. Then A minus C. What is A minus C? Difference of A and C means all the elements of A which are not in C. So A and C. So write remaining elements of A except 3 and 6. So 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. This is A minus C. Then D minus C. Difference of D and E. D and E. Write all the elements of D which are not in E. So all elements are, there is no common element in D and E. Then E and F dash. First we need F dash. So F dash, F is this. So F dash means complement of F. So all the elements of S which are not in F will come in F dash. So 3, 4, 5, 6 are in F. So 1, 2 will be in F dash. Now E and F dash. So E minus F dash. So common elements, there is no common element. So set E will be our, E and F. This is E and intersection. Intersection, not minus, intersection. So no common element. So it is 5. Okay? So these are our events. Now here, this event A, D, C, F are having more than one elements. So these are compound events. E has only one element, so it is simple event. ठीक है, intersection of E and F dash is null set, so these are mutually exclusive events. ठीक है, so if one experiment is given, we have to describe some events and we need some values of A in B, A in B, that we can find. So first write sample space, and according to that we can write the events. These all are subsets of this S. All A, B, C, D, E, F are subsets of this sample space. ठीक है, note down, then we'll see some more questions. Okay, now question is, 3 coins are tossed. They will describe 2 events which are mutually exclusive events. Then 3 events which are mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Then 3 events which are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. So for this, first we write sample space. Okay. So 3 coins are tossed. So 2 to the power 3. 8 outcomes will be there. Right? There are 2 faces on the coin. Head tail. So 2 to the power, how many coins we are tossing? 3. So 2 cube will be your total outcomes. So how to write these outcomes? Right? We would think all 3 coins will show heads like this. So simple way, take its half. Half of total outcomes means 4. So 4 times you can write head. Okay, then 4 times write tail. Very simple way. Then take its half. Half of 4 means half of 4 means 2. So 2 times write head. Head, then tail, then head, then tail. Now take its half. Half of 2, 1. 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. 1 head, 1 tail. Head, tail. This will be our total possible outcomes. Now there will be no mistake. No element will be repeated or no element will be remaining. Okay, this is a simple way. Now for first question, 2 events which are mutually exclusive. Exclusive event means their intersection is a null set. So write 2 events. Event A, exactly 1 head appear, you can say. Exactly 1 head appear. Means what will come in this? Only 1 head. So H, T, T, or H can be in second place. So T, H, T, this T, H, T, or T, T, H. We need intersection empty. So now in B there should not be any element from this. So only 1 element, 1 head appears here. So here you can say exactly 2 head appears. 2 heads appear then. HHT, HTT, sorry, 2 head na, HTH, then THH. This will be our sample point for this. Now what is common? Nothing. So since A intersection B is null set, so A and B are mutually exclusive events. A and B are mutually exclusive events. Okay? Now first question second. 3 events which are exclusive but not and exhaustive. Exclusive and exhaustive means their intersection should be empty and exhaustive. Their union should be sample space. So like first question, we can take exactly 1 head appear. Event B you can take exactly 2 head appears. 2 heads appear. So this have no common elements. Now what should be C event? And one more thing, the union should be complete sample space. So here all 6 elements came here. As these are remaining. So what is this events? HHH, TTT. What we can say for this events? These 2 elements. What shows these 2 elements? All 3 heads come. All 3 head appears, then 1 ही होगा. All 3 tails appears, then ये नहीं होगा. So we can say what? All coins show same result. Can we say all coins show same result? Means all shows head or tail. ठीक है, these are same as first part है. What is common in A and B? Nothing. What is B and C? Common in B and C? Nothing. What is A and C? Nothing. ठीक है, so A intersection B, null set. B intersection C, null set. C intersection A, null set. And A union B union C. We take this 3, all elements will come, and that will be our sample space. So their intersection is null set and the union is sample space as. So these are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. These 3 events are exclusive and exhaustive. Okay? Then here we need 3 events which are mutually exclusive but not exhaustive. So what we can do? See, if we take event A same, exactly 1 head appears. Event B exactly 2 head appears. And event C, if we take for third question, again A and B are same. Event C we can take exactly 3 head appears. Then nothing common. But the union will not be complete sample space because TTT will not come here. So like this you can describe events, mutually exclusive, and to describe these events, this we need what is mutually exclusive events, which are mutually exhaustive events, mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. So the first video you have to see. First video you have to watch carefully. All the events are given there. If you miss the video, its link will be given in the description box that you can watch. Tick. Note down. Okay, now question is, 2 dice are thrown. The events A, B, C are as follows. Event A is getting an even number on the first die. Event B is getting an odd number on the first die. And event C is getting the sum of the numbers on the dice is less than equal to 5. Okay? Then we have to find these events. A dash, A or B, A but not C, A intersection B dash, intersection C dash. Okay? So first of all, if we throw 2 dice, then what will happen? So this we have seen. If we throw 2 dice, what happens? We get 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 like this. Simple space you can find for throwing 2 dice. Okay? Now, event A, getting an even number on the first die. Now what elements will be here? Event A, getting even number on the first die. First die will show even number. So we can say 2 on the first die. Then second die can show 1 or can show 2 like this up to 2, 6. First should be even number. Then you can say 4, 1 to 4, 6. Then you can say 5, 6, 1 to 6, 6. So this will be our sample points for this event. Okay? 2, 1, 2, 2, 6, 4, 1, 2, 4, 6, 6, 1, 2, 6, 6. Check, this is our event A. Now event B, getting an odd number on the first die. First die should show odd number. Second, we don't bother about second. First should be odd. So 1, 1 to 1, 6. First should be odd. Then 3, 1, 2, 3, 6. Then 5, 1, 2, 5, 6. Okay? These elements will be there. So this event has this many sample points. How many? 2, 1, 2, 2, 6. 4, 1, 2, 4, 6. 6, 1, 2, 6, 6. 18 elements here, 18 elements here. Now, Event C is getting the sum of the numbers on the dice less than or equal to 5. If we add these numbers, the sum should be either 5 or less than 5. So this event contain sample point 1 1 2 1 4 1 2 1 3 1 4 है ना, will give sum either 5 or less than 5. Then if first I showed 2, then 2 1 2 2 2 2 3 5 of less than 5. Then 3 1 2 3 1 and 3 2 only, है ना, two elements are there. Then 4 1, then 5 in this row of 5 5 1 cannot give 5 or less than. So these elements we have 1 1 2 1 4, 4 elements, 2 1 2 2 3, 3 elements, and 3 1 3 2 4 1. So 4 3 7 and 3 10, 10 elements are here. Okay, so these events are we having this ABC events are. Now we need A dash. So A dash will be, we can write all the elements of sample space which are not in this A. So here first die is showing even number. So in A dash, first die will not show even number, means first die will show odd number. So elements 1 1 2 1 6 3 1 2 3 6 5 1 2 5 6 will come here, means event B only, है ना, this event B. So A complement is B, A dash is B. This is first answer. Then answer of second, A or B. We need A or B. So A set, B set. Now we need their union, है ना. So if set is clear, we can find union. So union this to set A union B. All the elements of A and B will come. So here odd numbers, here even numbers, means complete samples will come. 1 1 2 1 6, then 2 1 2 2 6 3 1 2 3 6 4 1 2 4 6 5 1 2 5 6 and 6 1 2 6 6. This is our A or B. Then clear beta, union only we are finding as union. Event A but not C. Event A but not C means A minus C. A but not C means A minus C. So A minus C. We will subtract this. How to find difference of two sets? Write all the elements of this set, okay, which are not in this 2 1 is here. We cannot write, or accept common elements. We can write all the elements of this set A. So 2 1 is there, 2 2, some 2 2 is there, 2 3 is there, 2 4 2 5 2 6, because 2 4 2 5 2 6 will give some more than 5. So all will come here, 2 4 2 5 2 6. Then 4 1 is having some, है ना, here 4 1. So 4 2 can come here, 4 2 2 4 6, because here sum will be more than 5. Then 6 1 2 6 6, all can come, 6 1 2 6 6. So write all the elements of A which are not in C will be your A minus C, A but not C. Then event D, this event A but not B but not C. So from A, now we need B dash and C dash. So B is given here, we can write its complement. So its complement will be A only. B dash is A only. A dash is B. So B dash will be A. Then C dash. So its complement. Write all the elements except this. And then from that sets you can take common elements. That will be our A dash, A intersection B dash intersection C dash. So A dash B, A dash A intersection B dash. So B dash is same as A. So A intersection A only. And A intersection C dash. A intersection C dash. We can write A minus C. So actually it is what? A minus C only. So this is event your A intersection B dash intersection C dash. If we find this, we get same thing only. Because A intersection A, because it is B dash is A only. if it takes complement, it will give this set. So it becomes A only. So A intersection C dash will be our A minus C only. Okay, so like this some events are given, so we can find some other events also. Okay, now this event A is type of event. Which type of event is? So it has more than one element, so it is compound event. All these are compound event. Then what is A intersection B? Null set. So A and B are mutually exclusive events. What is A union B? Complete sample space S. Okay, if you find A or B, so we get complete sample space S. So A and B are exhaustive events. So A and B intersection is null set, the union is S. So A and B are exclusive and exhaustive events both. Okay, B and C having common something? Yes, common. So these are not exclusive events. B and C are not mutually exclusive events. A and C have some common elements? Yes. So A and C also not mutually exclusive events. Okay, so like this some events are given, then also you can classify which are simple event, which are compound event. Okay.